Hey homeschool moms, just a few little bits of homeschool advice, but first a little background on me in case you were wondering. I do have a Bachelor's of Science degree from the University of Missouri in agriculture, mainly based around horticulture with a minor in religious studies and also a close second minor in retail management. Not sure how well those relate together, but praise God. And I also am a licensed minister. I'm a certified FTD senior floral designer. I don't know how those relate either, but I also have written and published my own books. First of all, the children's book called A Real Rich Christmas, and these are available on Amazon. And I also wrote a book for good Christmas ideas calling 5 Ways to Experience an Amazing Christmas. Then my latest book is called The Bashful Blonde. It's written to help those bashful girls that need a little bit of self-confidence. And then I've published and helped to write and edit another book for a very good friend of mine, which is also on Amazon. So those are just some of the things that I've done besides obviously the YouTube channel that I have. I have 2 sons, both of which I homeschooled from the very beginning. One of them is 19 now, and he decided to go to public school for the very first time in the 9th grade. It was an overcrowded public school, and I was kind of concerned, but I was pleasantly surprised at how good the curriculum that we used prepared him academically. Now, as far as socially, he did just fine. The kid is a leader anyway, so he wasn't influenced at all by peer pressure or anything like that. He met good friends and to this day still hangs out with them. And he's got his own job at Walmart, paying for his Camaro payments, but he's a pilot now, and he's taking his aviation classes at a local college, and he's doing wonderful and absolutely thrilled about his future. He wants to be a pilot for American Airlines. Now, my other son is 12. He is in 8th grade currently. He is doing awesome as well. Both of my sons play guitar because my husband is a very accomplished musician, and he makes a wonderful music teacher. So my older son plays the electric guitar, my younger son plays the guitar, the bass, and the drums. So the older son is a black belt in karate, and the younger son is a brown belt in karate. And they both have enjoyed baseball as well. But just wanted to let you know that they are successful, that everything is fine, that you'll do fine, it's going to be okay. Just hang in there, enjoy this time with your children, enjoy that bonding time together. Some of the homeschool advice I would have for you is don't stress it. Now, yes, there needs to be structure, there needs to be, school has to be a priority every single day. Don't just run out and just do your errands and blow school off, but obviously keep school as a priority, but make it fun, make it enjoyable. Learn the learning style of your child and what works best with them. Now, my hands-on son, I learned using the whiteboard. I would usually write on it for his lesson, but found out that he prefers and gets the lesson better if he gets up and he is the one. It's more fun for him to be more involved in writing things out on the whiteboard and things. The other thing that's good for a learner like that I have found, is that when you go to Walmart or Target or any place like that that has a self-checkout, let them get the stuff out of the cart and scan it, weigh the produce, enter the code. It's good for them to learn that retail experience, and it's fun for them. They feel all adult and everything, and it's good for them to know anyway. When there's a neighborhood garage sale, now I know you're saying, oh no, if it's on a Friday or something, you need to do school. Don't go. Yeah, but a lot of these garage sales, if you don't get there early, the really good stuff is gone. So I find that with a hands-on learner like that, it's okay to have a garage sale to be incorporated into your learning process. It's good for them to learn what's a real bargain and what's junk that you wouldn't even pay for. And you know, if it's got pet hair, or if it stinks, or if it's, you know, all scarred up, whatever, it's good for them to understand what's good and what's profitable. Also to know that you shouldn't buy everything, you know, that you can afford, that you can end up with a bunch of stuff that you don't need. So it's good to learn, you know, self-control and what's profitable and what's not. Also, the whole bargaining thing, generally don't try to offer people lower than what they have at price, because I don't like that. But what I do is I've saved up money all along knowing that garage sales are coming, and what I'll do is I'll offer a little bit over what they're marked, like $1 extra or something, and people aren't ready for that. They're like, no, it's only $2, it's not $3. And it's like, yeah, but I want to bless you with extra. And that is a real blessing, especially to teach your children to be generous like that, because many times people will have a garage sale because they need a little extra cash. Garage sales are awesome for new baby clothes and items like that, so teach your children where to find a good bargain. And so just to enjoy, my overall advice is just to enjoy your children. Don't stress about it. Don't stress about every single little thing. Just know the bottom line, that they're getting the concept. Be yourself, trust in God, and do your best. I wanted to share this moment with you because I'm just about to hit 1,000 subscribers, and I'm excited about it. No, I don't chase after it, but I do want to thank God and thank my subscribers for getting me this far, and I'm excited that I can be a blessing to that many people. So my philosophy is I don't chase fame. That's not my style. I know that God has made me. He has an awesome plan for each and every one of us, that if we're just doing our best and relying on God to lead us, to enable us to do what we're supposed to do, then we're going to reach our full potential, and then fame will chase us. It's like that lady that put on that mask of Chewbacca and just started laughing and being herself. Fame chased her. I'm not one of those that has to be the most beautiful, most entertaining, most intelligent person in the room. No, I just be myself, enjoy life, and I just try to be a blessing to others. If you like me, then subscribe. If you don't, then it's no big deal. My video on how to make a little penguin from scratch. He's so cute. How to make a peacock from scratch. How gorgeous and pretty for your people who love peacocks. Also, how to do floral arrangements from scratch that I've done. It's so pretty. And then I have also done DIY videos on how to jazz up your jeans. So cool. And then how to take a scarf and turn it into a skirt. Pretty neat. How to take a pair of pants and chop them up and turn them into a shirt. So cool. Even this shirt that I'm wearing and turned into a totally different style. So those are fun things I like to do that hopefully they're a blessing to you, and I enjoy sharing this moment with you. Right, penguin? Yes, right. Oh. I also wanted to let you know about my younger son's YouTube channel, J.K. John. Yes, that younger son who's a hands-on learner. He has a channel of his own, and it's even got some homeschool stuff on it. So enjoy his channel as well, and let your kids have fun watching it.